Have you noticed that your mornings are not quite the same as they used to be? And no, I'm not talking about the stiffness in your back or the creaks in your knees. I'm talking about a very different kind of stiffness, the kind that used to greet you without fail. If you're a man over 50 and those early signs of vitality have faded, you're not alone. But here's the good news. There's a simple nighttime drink that can naturally help restore stronger, more reliable morning erections. By the end of this, you'll know what the drink is, why it works, how to prepare it, and the one nighttime mistake that silently weakens your morning performance. Morning erections are far more important than intimacy alone. They are one of the most reliable signs of a man's overall health. Each morning, that firmness is your body's way of telling you your blood vessels are open, your hormones are balanced, and your nervous system is functioning the way it should. When those erections start to fade or disappear, it should never be brushed off as just age. More often than not, it's an early sign that something deeper is changing. Maybe your arteries are becoming stiffer, your testosterone levels are dipping, or your sleep and stress patterns are out of balance. Think of it like a check engine light for your health. Ignoring it only allows the problem to grow. The key factor behind strong morning erections is circulation. Erections are, first and foremost, a blood flow event. The better your arteries carry oxygen-rich blood during the night, the stronger your response will be when you wake up. This is why men with healthy hearts, flexible arteries, and good quality sleep often enjoy strong morning erections well into their 60s and 70s. So, how do you get that circulation back on your side? That's where this simple nighttime drink comes in. By boosting nitric oxide levels, relaxing blood vessels, and supporting steady hormone production while you sleep, it helps your body restore what it needs for optimal performance. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of warm water, not boiling, just gently warm, juice of half a fresh lemon, 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder, half a teaspoon of honey, optional. For light sweetness, this combination works because of how the ingredients support your body. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which helps your body produce nitric oxide, a natural compound that relaxes and widens your blood vessels, improving circulation to even the most sensitive areas. Beetroot is the real powerhouse. It's loaded with natural nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide as you rest, priming your blood vessels and improving blood flow overnight. Honey helps keep your blood sugar stable through the night. When your blood sugar remains steady, your testosterone levels stay consistent, something that becomes crucial for men over 50. To prepare, simply mix the warm water with lemon juice, stir in the beetroot powder, and add honey if you prefer a hint of sweetness. Drink this about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. But remember, the real magic is in consistency. One night won't undo years of slow changes in your circulation. Drink this every evening, and after a week you might feel a difference. After a month, you'll likely notice stronger, more reliable mornings. For an extra boost, consider adding a pinch of ginger powder or cinnamon. Ginger supports circulation and reduces hidden inflammation that can interfere with blood flow. Cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar, which keeps testosterone levels steady throughout the night. Hydration is another overlooked factor. Erections depend on fluid balance. If you're dehydrated, your blood thickens and becomes harder to circulate, reducing oxygen delivery where it's needed most. Drink water steadily during the day, not just at night. To multiply the benefits, pair this drink with healthy evening habits. A short walk after dinner, just 10 to 15 minutes, helps improve circulation and primes your body to convert the nitrates from the beets into nitric oxide more effectively. Quality sleep is also essential. Deep, uninterrupted rest is when testosterone peaks, arteries relax, and your body resets for the next day. Now, here's the number one mistake that silently sabotages morning performance: drinking alcohol before bed. While a nightcap may feel relaxing, alcohol dehydrates your body, reduces testosterone, and interferes with the nervous system signals that trigger erections. Even a couple of drinks can make a noticeable difference in how your body responds in the morning. Skip the alcohol and replace it with this natural, circulation-friendly drink instead. Strong, healthy mornings are not out of reach. With consistency, this simple nightly routine, warm water, lemon, beetroot powder, and a touch of honey, can help restore the confidence and vitality you remember. Your body is capable of remarkable recovery when you give it the right support. A small nightly choice like this can create big changes over time. When your mornings start feeling stronger and more alive, it's more than just a sign of improved intimacy, it's proof that your heart, blood vessels, hormones, and nerves are working together in balance.